How to use green screen on CapCut. Hey guys, I'm Nana from Create, Login and Delete, and let's start with our video. So first and foremost, you'll be needing two videos, that is a background video and the green screen video, which you can download easily from YouTube. Here I have selected my background video. Now to add our green screen video, what you have to do is you have to just tap on the plus sign icon right there and select your green screen video. Now, once the green screen video is added, tap on it and then from the below toolbar, go ahead and search for overlay option and tap on overlay. Now, see for the length of the video and you can just slide in to adjust the length of the video of its occurrence. Once it is done, again tap on it or select the green screen video and then tap on the cutout option. So just go ahead and tap on cutout so that we can remove the green background from here. Now choose chroma key and from the color picker go ahead and select the green one. Then increase the intensity and as you can see the background is totally disappeared. Now you can just randomly place it wherever you want according to your desire. Wasn't this video simple? And this is a wrap for how to use green screen on CapCut. Thank you so much for watching.